Hello, good afternoon, friends. Today we discuss about the reductions by dissolving metal. In that, we already discussed 2 points by using sodium in alcohol and sodium in liquid ammonia. So, sodium in alcohol, reduction of ester to primary alcohol is Biwalt-Blank reduction reactions. Now today we start the reductions by using magnesium metals. So magnesium metals are used for the reduction of carbonyl compounds to form the vicinal diol, that is Pinacol reaction. So this reaction is called Pinacol reactions. Now let's see the mechanism of these reactions. The magnesium transfer electron to the carbonyl and there is O minus. So there are two carbonyl, the two electron transfer to the carbonyl and there is formation of free radical negative oxygen. So there is formation of such type of O minus C radical, O minus radical. Now this Mg2 plus, Mg lost 2 electron to this 2 carbonyl groups. There are 2 ketone. Now there is coupling of these 2 take place, and after coupling there is O minus and Mg2 plus. So this intermediate is formed, and in presence of water, hydrolysis, after this there is hydrolysis, addition of H3O plus by acidic medium. The hydrolysis of this intermediate gives OH plus MgOH twice. So Pinacol is obtained, and therefore this reaction is called Pinacol reaction. And this Pinacol on rearrangement in presence of acidic conditions gives Pinacolan. So that is a different thing. But here we are discussed about the reductions by using magnesium. Now magnesium also break down the sulfonamide and carbon bond. Let's see the example. SO2Ar and SO2Ar. So in presence of magnesium in methanol, this sulfonamide carbon bond break down by using the magnesium in MeOH, magnesium in methanol, break down this SO2Ar bond, SO2Ar carbon bond by using the magnesium, and there is formation of this product is obtained, plus the another product, there is formation of double bond at this position. So 67% this product is obtained and 21% this one is the product. Now this is the 62% product is obtained. So sulfonamide cleavage occur by the magnesium in methanol. Now let's see another type of metals that dissolve in a solvent such as ZnHCl or Zn acetic acid. ZnHCl or acetic acid. So zinc in HCl are used for the reduction of nitro compound to primary amine, or the ZnHg HCl zinc amalgam in HCl hydrochloric acid are used for the reductions of carbonyl compound to hydrocarbon, that is Clemmensen reduction reaction. So the ZnHCl are used for the reductions of nitro compounds to the amine, as well as in the Clemmensen reduction, that is ZnHg HCl. So let's see the first Clemmensen reduction. Clemmensen reduction reactions, the carbonyl group RCO R' in presence of ZnHg HCl zinc amalgam in HCl, it gives RCH2 R', that is hydrocarbon. So let's see the mechanism of this reaction. Zn lost 2 electron to form the Zn2 plus 2 electron is lost by the zinc. Then this electron transferred to the carbonyl. So let's see the mechanism of the reaction. RC double bond O R dash. Now this electron transferred to the carbonyl group. Electron is transferred. So electron transfer is shown by single headed arrow. Then there is O minus. So RC radical O minus R dash. Then this in presence of HCl as a solvent, that is protonation occur. Then there is Cl minus is eliminated. Then RCOH radical R dash. Then another electron is transferred to the carbanium, and there is formation of carbanium takes to this radical. Another electron is transferred. There is formation of carbanium OH R dash. Then again in presence of HCl there is protonation, formation of RCOH H R dash. Now in presence of acidic condition H plus, the lone pair from the oxygen protonated to form the RCOH2 protonated alcohol R dash H. Then there is again the transfer of electron here. Then water molecule is eliminated. So RC radical R dash H. Again another electron is transferred, formation of carbanium, and again protonation by HCl gives RCH H R dash, that is RCH2R hydrocarbon. By using this Clemmensen reductions, the carbonyl group is converted to hydrocarbon. Now let's see another example of reduction by using zinc in acetic acid, yes, Zn in HCl. So let's see the example. Benzaldehyde CHO in presence of ZnHg and HCl, Clemmensen reduction, it gives toluene. So there is formation of toluene take place. Then acetophenone in presence of ZnHg and HCl, it gives ethyl benzene. Then again this Zn in HCl reduces nitro group to the amine. So let's see the example. Rn double bond O minus N plus. By using Zn HCl, this nitro group is reduced to amine, that is primary amine formation take place from the nitro groups. Example of this nitro. Then again the Zn in HCl also reduces this to form the carbonyl group reduced to hydrocarbon, that is Clemmensen reduction reactions. Then next, reductive elimination of vicinal heteroatoms. So vicinal heteroatoms are reduced by zinc in acetic acid to form the olefin. If X and Y are the two heteroatoms, then Zn in acetic acid there is the reductive cleavage of X and Y from the carbon take place and formation of olefin or alkene formation take place. So X may be chlorine, bromine, iodine, or it may be OR, or Y group may be bromine, sulfonamide, SO2R, या OR या BR. So X and Y may be heteroatoms, and then there is reductive elimination by the zinc in acetic acid take place to form the olefin as a product. Let's see the example of reductive cleavage. Here is iodine O. C double bond O. So this reductive cleavage, reductive elimination by zinc in acetic acid at the 100 degrees Celsius with reflux conditions, Zn in ACOH reflux, that is at 100 degrees Celsius. So there is cleavage of this CO and Ci bond take place, and there is formation of double bond here. And here is COOH. So this product formation takes place by the reductive elimination by zinc in acetic acid. Now another example for the reductive elimination by zinc in acetic acid. So let's see more example of such type. RCH2 epoxide by zinc sodium iodide, sodium acetate NaOAC, and followed by zinc in acetic acid at 0 degree Celsius. So there is Na plus and I minus attack on this carbon. There is breaking of CO bond, formation of OH and iodine, and by using the ZnAC, reductive elimination occur and the formation of such a product occur during these reactions. Another example, R X and here is OAC. So X means halogen. Now there is heteroatom on nitrogen heteroatom bond and carbon heteroatom bond. Now here also the reductive elimination takes place by using Zn in ACOH and formation of RC triple bond N. So these are eliminated, there is formation of cyanide, that is RC triple bond N formation takes place by using zinc in acetic acid. Now next, carbon heteroatom cleavage. So the zinc in acetic acid are also used for the cleavage of carbon heteroatom. double bond Br CO2 Et. So here this carbon and heteroatom bond is breakdown. Yeah, cleavage occur by zinc in acetic acids. It gives double bond CO2 Et. So there is the reductive cleavage of carbon heteroatom bond take place. Let's see another example. Double bond. Here is CH2 OTS. So here is OTS is a good leaving group in presence of zinc in acetic acid and water. It is at reflux condition. So there is transfer of electron here and this bond attack from this position to this. So transfer of electron here, this attack on this CH2 OTS get eliminated. So there is electron and this formation of this CH2, this bond formation occur and CH3 is remain at this. So transfer of electron. Now here another electron is transferred and protonation by ACOH. Yeah. Again zinc transfer one more electron, there is formation of carbanion and in presence of ACOH protonation at this position take place and this product is formed. So this is the final product. That means again here the OTS bond cleavage occur by the zinc in acetic acids by transfer of electron at the carbon-carbon double bond and NGP take place. The OTS group is eliminated. Let's see more example in which the carbon heteroatom cleavage take place. Tertiary butyl, there is Cl, Cl and Cl. Now there are three there is C double bond O. There are two carbon chlorine bond and this reductive cleavage of carbon heteroatom take place by Zn in ACOH. So the product is C double bond O tertiary butyl. Okay, so this is the cleavage of carbon heteroatoms. Then nitro group by zinc. Nitro group, not nitro group. The large size ring, that is azo heterocyclic ring, undergo contraction. The azo heterocyclic ring undergo ring contraction and to form the pyro. So let's see the example. N double bond N, COO, COO, Me, there is also Me. So this as a heterocyclic ring in presence of Zn in ACOH, Zn in ACOH undergo ring contraction and the product form is CO2 Me, CO2 MEH. So ring contractions means as a heterocyclic ring is get contracted by zinc in acetic acids. Then next the reduction of aryl substituent. So reduction of aryl substituent is also carried out by using Cl. There is also Cl and Me. Okay. The aromatic compound in which there is cleavage of carbon heteroatom. So reduction of aryl substituent. Here is aryl substituent is removed by using Zn in ACOH. So this CCl bond cleavage occur instead of this Cl bond, because so the electron transfer occur at this position, and there is N minus, and again reversal of N minus removal of Cl minus occur easily. Therefore, the reduction of carbon heteroatom bond occur at this position, and formation of this product is take place. So this is the reduction of by zinc in HCl or zinc in acetic acids. So let's see the reductions by using iron in HCl or tin in HCl in the next video. We will stop here. Thank you.